Hi everyone! There are several ways to connect to a virtual machine created in Cyber Frame. The first option is through the web console. The second is by using a floating IP address assigned to the virtual machine. The third option is to establish an IPsec VPN connection between your local site and the Cyber Frame infrastructure. In this video, we will look at how to connect to your virtual machine using the web console. First, go to your Cyber Frame deployment and make sure you have at least one private network created. When creating a private network, make sure a gateway IP address is assigned, the built-in DHCP server is enabled, and the allocation pool does not include the gateway IP address. In this demo, we will use an existing private network. Now that the network is ready, go to Virtual Machines and create a new virtual machine. Set the virtual machine name and choose the operating system image you want to use. Please note that the root user is disabled in all available images, so you need to sign in with the default user defined for that machine. You can find the default usernames in the article linked in the description. In this demo, we will use Alma Linux. Next, select the flavor and configure the network interface by choosing your private network. Before you continue, you also need to set a password for the virtual machine. This can be done by using a customization script. In the article linked in the description, you can find customization script templates that allow you to set a password for accessing the virtual machine. Please note that the customization script is operating system specific, so make sure to choose the one that matches the image you selected. Do not skip this step, because if you do not set a password here, you will not be able to log in through the web console. Copy and paste the customization script here, then enter a password and make sure it is strong enough. For the purposes of this demo, we will use a simple password. Click Save, and then proceed with deploying the virtual machine. The virtual machine is now deployed. Let's give it 1 to 2 minutes to boot up and allow the customization script to finish running. Okay, the virtual machine has booted, and now we can open the console. Click the virtual machine, and then click Console to open the console for it. You will now be redirected to the web console of your virtual machine. Let's sign in. Enter the username and password. Okay, it works. We're logged in. Thank you for watching this video.